Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace front CV axle, CV shaft on Audi A4 B6, guys. Of course, you don't need to do all that disassembly that we did here. We're fixing to steal the engine out of this one, and in the meantime we'll make a few videos, guys, if you need anything. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to remove the cap here for the tire, the center cap. Now you need a Allen wrench, 17 millimeter Allen wrench, like that, and it's going to go inside, right there, and we need to get that nut loose there. It's actually not a nut, it's a bolt. Most of the CV axles are nuts on cars. This one is a bolt. Okay, and it's pretty tight. You might need to use a cheater pipe on it, but it's almost coming loose now. Okay, just like that. We're not going to take it all the way off. We'll just get it loose to make sure it goes by hand. Next we'll need to jack the car and put a jack stand underneath for safety. And we can proceed to the next step. Stay with us. So we'll go ahead and take the wheel off now. The 17 millimeter tire. Okay, now we will be stuck there, guys. We have a video on World Mechanics, what to do if you have a stuck wheel and how to prevent that in the future. Okay, this one is not bad actually. Okay, that's good. So, for being a parts car, it has brand new tires, that's pretty good. Okay guys, this is the bolt that we already started removing. Now we'll remove it all the way. And you can see this CV axle here. Okay, the boot is completely broken on it. Next you need a triple square M10 tool. We have the links, guys, on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. And let me show you what you're going to do now. Okay, the bolts are right there. Okay, it will be 6 of them. Okay, so we got this one in place now. And we need to get it loose. Okay guys, so we'll be using the impact. If you don't have an impact, you have to have one person holding the brake or put the car in park so you can go ahead and remove the bolts. Okay, you need to make sure that it's in all the way good. Okay, right there, one bolt is out. Okay, you can see we dropped it on the floor. Okay, second one now, and we're turning it by hand because the car is in neutral now. But always have the emergency brake on, because otherwise the car might roll off of you. Okay, you don't want to have your head under the fender. Use a block behind and in front of the rear tires as well, and on the other front side. Okay guys, I think we have only one more holding. It should be 6 altogether. Okay, and now the CV axle will be able to slide out of there. It's very simple on that Audi's. Other vehicles, usually the CV axle is a really complicated thing. Okay, you see it's right here, it's stuck a little bit, so we need to just hit it one time, just to push it out of the teeth. Okay, and let me see now. Okay, it's coming out. We just need to find a sweet spot to where we have more room. And then we'll just push it in a little bit more. Okay. And you can see it's almost completely out of there now. It's loose now, so we just need to move it a little bit. Careful not to damage brake lines or anything like that. That's why we're taking our time now. So we'll need to slide it to the front and then you can pull it out. It just comes out in a specific angle. Okay, check it out guys. That thing is completely short. Okay, this is the part number for our specific 2003 model Audi A4 1.8 turbo. So this is it guys. That's how you guys remove it. You install it in reverse order. Okay, we'll show in 1 second how to put it on and what to get everything in so you can finish the job. So now we need to get the inner side to the front. Okay, like that. Then we need to get this side in the wheel. Okay, to make sure that all the teeth, everything's lining up so you can push it in. It's not as easy as it sounds. Okay, it needs to come right here, you can see. But we'll show you how to do that in a second. So we got the prying tool there and we'll just okay, get it in. You need to make sure that all the teeth get in the wheel hub, and after that we'll show you what else you need to do. Okay, so we got it in here guys. Now we can slide it towards the back and now we need to line it up with the transmission case there. Okay, and we'll need to put all 6 bolts and get them tight. Make sure that you have all 6 first and then start getting them tight, not just to get one and get it tight because you won't be able to install the rest of them. So that's guys pretty much the whole procedure. Just check everything, make sure everything's tight, make sure that this one is tight at the end as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.